How to download animes to watch offline. First thing you want to do is access or pull up your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. Now, once you pull up your preferred web browser, just go ahead to crunchyroll.com. Now, once you're here, this site actually offers free streaming animes that you can watch, and you can also download anime episodes only if you create an account, and then once you created an account, you subscribe to one of their plans. Now, these are the pricing of their current plans. This currency is actually under my country, which is Philippines. You can anytime change that currency to your region or area of destination. Now, once you subscribe to their plan, these are the available qualities that you can download via this website. So if you took a high quality video, it takes longest to download and uses more storage, but rewards your patient with the best image quality. If you do medium, it also offers a good quality, a quick download, and less storage. However, with the low quality, it provides decent image quality with the fastest download and uses the least storage, of course. Now, once you have created an account with Crunchyroll and then you subscribe to one of their plans, when you click on a specific movie to watch, like for this one example, so if you click on the movie, all you have to do to download this movie is just go ahead to that gear icon right here, and then once you're fully subscribed to their Crunchyroll account, there will be a specific download option that you can choose right here. Once you click on download, that's the time that you can choose on any qualities you want. So that's it. Those are basically the method on how you can download anime and watch them offline.